All right, so this project is a good example of how fiberglass adapts to real conditions on site. We reglass these two decks on this property, reglass on both of them. So that's new glass and gel coat across the board. But the part worth breaking down is at the roof deck where this metal staircase ties in. That staircase has a larger fascia than you'd normally see. It projects further and it creates a deeper edge. And that detail has to be handled as part of the waterproofing system, not worked around it. So the membrane had to extend all the way out and wrap that fascia. No stopping short of that standard edge. At the landing itself, the plywood had taken moisture at that transition point. So we pulled that damaged section, installed new AC plywood, and rebuilt the fiberglass system from there, laminating it back into the deck field and running it out to meet that fascia. So there's no gaps and no breaks in that membrane. That's where fiberglass holds up on jobs like this. It's not a sheet product you just cut to size. It's built in place. It's layered, saturated, reinforced. It follows whatever the deck requires. Custom fascia details, stair landings, wall tie-ins, anything without losing continuity. So now both decks are reglassed, the landing is rebuilt, and then we got the gel coat on. So this system is now sealed, and that's what it's all about.